Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. I am back. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having a great and wonderful day today. If you're here for the first time, please right now go ahead and smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. All right guys, I am back to do another quick review on Digital Wealth Pros and to show you some results from the elite marketing team. As I stated before, I've been working with a business partner to put something in place for people that don't want to do their own marketing for Digital Wealth Pros, because you still have to market the program, okay? Even though we have the call center that's going to close the sales for you, okay? So I am also in the marketing program as well, even though I do my own marketing, but I wanted you guys to see that this stuff does work. All right, so let's talk about it. Digital Wealth Pros, an automated system, okay, pretty much 95% on autopilot, where you can earn $200, $400, and $800 commissions instantly any way you want, because we have a call center that's going to close the sales for you. That is the best thing going. Okay, you no longer have to speak to people, try to explain a program. Number one, you're going to go to this video, 7 minutes, watch it. It will explain everything for you. Everything else will be on this page if you read it and through its entirety. Okay, and then you get on the phone and call the call center. They're going to answer all your questions, okay, and close all your sales for you. So all you have to do is check your email. For people, when they're signing them up, you're going to receive an email, okay? And you're going to receive your payment any way you want, okay? This is one of the simplest programs on the net, I feel, at this time. So check this out. So you got a call center that's going to do all that for you. You have a sales funnel. All the capture pages are here. The autoresponder is included. Everything is under one roof. You can check in your back office your analytics to see how the marketing is going. What pages are people looking at? Which one is converting the best? Okay. If you don't want to use the marketing system that they have here, you can link up your own autoresponder, Aweber or GetResponse or MailChimp. It's up to you. Okay. You're going to receive the payments directly any way you like: Zelle, PayPal, Cash App, Venmo, credit card, in the mail. Whatever you decide, that's how it's going to be set up, okay? And they have pre-tested advertising campaigns, okay, that you can check out in your back office that's already been proven. Not to mention, there are digital products that goes along with this. There's eBooks, audios, and videos, okay? So you can actually learn how to market online as well. It's a lot of great stuff in those products that we have. 3 product levels: 200, 400, 800. I'll go over those in a second so you can check those out and decide where you want to come in. As I stated earlier, it is 95% automated. Why is that? That's because we drive people to the capture pages. That's number one. They opt into the page. We get their email, right? The system then is going to send them an email to follow up, a few email series to follow up with them to remind them about the program, which sends them back to this page, the sales page, so they can watch this video. Okay, because we know a lot of times people, they opt into a whole bunch of pages and they don't even remember what they looked at or how they got there. So that's why they're going to get these emails on autopilot. Okay, once they watch the video, then if they have any questions, they're going to call the call center. The call center is going to answer all those questions and close them out, sign them up, and you get paid. That's the flow of how this thing goes, okay? Just that simple. So what's next? What's the first step you're going to take? You're going to go to the link in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. You're going to go here. You're going to watch this video, 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Jot down your questions. Look over this website, and then you're going to make a call to the call center right here. Click this button, okay? Call this number, 800-232-2109. Okay, give them my ID, 442-89634. They will get you all signed up. Okay. Now, if you decide, well, hey, I'm just going to sign up directly with you, you can do that. Okay. Now, the way we have this set up, everybody that joins me, they're going to get the 30 days of marketing for free. That's how that's going to go. Okay. And I have a process for that. So what you want to do is reach out to me. I'm going to have the information in the description on how this is going to flow, because we're putting people in and then we're having it where they are getting their commission. So we've got our own process set up. Okay, of course, you still have to call the 800 number. That's the only way you can get signed up. But there's a flow to how my elite marketing team is doing this. All right, so, but you've got to watch this video. Okay, and jot down the 800 number and call it in. So let's go look at the back office. Let me just show you the 3 products and then you can get started. Okay, I am in the members area and the products are right here. So decide which level you want to come in at. The bronze level is $297. One-time payments here. There's no monthly fees. So you're going to pay $297 and you're able to make $200 commissions on that level. If you sign up at the gold level, that's $497. You're going to be able to make $400 commissions there, and you're going to be able to make the $200 on the bronze level. If you go all in with the platinum level, that's $997. You'll be able to make $800 commissions on that level, and you are qualified to receive all 3 levels of payments, 200, 400, and 800, guys. Okay, so these are some great products. I've been checking them out myself personally, because remember, when you signed up, you purchased these products, so you should go in your back office and see what they're all about. Drill into them, dive into them, watch these videos, learn something. Trust me, learn a skill. Okay, so this is going to teach you some things, so definitely go check it out. All right, with that being said, let me show you the Cash App that I received from the marketing team. Okay, so hang on. Okay, came from Cash App. Okay, they Cash App me today, and it says right here, DWP Elite Marketing Team at 5:33. Okay, right here. All right, so this does work. I have been working behind the scenes on quite a bit of things. I want you guys to stay tuned. I've got a lot of things coming. I'm going to be adding to my portfolio, and I want to introduce it to you guys. I am leveling up. Okay, so I've got some things to share with you guys, but make sure you click that subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can be notified when I come out with a new video. You'll know what's going on. All right, so with that being said, thank you so much for checking out the video. Don't forget to click the link in the description, www.earnwithpandora.com. I will also have some specific notes in the description on the sign up. And if for people that's already in DWP, Digital Wealth Pros, and would like to join our co-op, we have a co-op. Okay, I've had a couple of more people that have joined our co-op. They've joined the program, but they haven't been successful with their marketing. We can give them blueprints all day long, but sometimes people just aren't consistent with what they're doing, and they're not getting the results they want. So this marketing that we have in place does work. Okay, so thanks so much for checking out the video. See you on the next video. You guys have a blessed day. Be safe out there.